So one of the questions that we have after people are out of pain is oftentimes, how do I get so that this never happens again? And like many things in life, it's all about maintenance. You get your oil changed in your car every so often to prevent things from happening, and we brush our teeth every day because we want to prevent that checkup, that maintenance appointment with our dentist, leading to any drilling. And so taking care of your spine, both with chiropractic and exercise and good nutrition, it helps you maintain your body. It helps you maintain what you have and sharpen that saw to let your body, work the best that it possibly can. It's funny this time of the year after the holidays, lots of people will go on a diet, and they'll go on a diet and they'll lose that Christmas weight, and then then that diet's over, and then they go back to eating exactly the same way they did, and then they gain the weight back. And just like that, good spinal health care, good exercise, and good nutrition, it should just be part of our everyday lives, where it's just what we do. We do that to nurture ourselves and to keep ourselves healthy. And so my suggestion to everybody is to lead a lifestyle where you work on maintenance, you take care of what you've got, and you try to make it a little bit better every day.